As of 2024, Samsung has near enough mastered the foldable phone, so much so that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, despite being very similar to its predecessor, achieved a 4.5-star score in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 review. So it's likely the next model in the series, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, will also be a very good phone. First though, we have collected all the leaks and rumors about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 so far, and you will find those below. This includes information on the possible release date and price, and as well as some rumored specs and features. When it comes to the camera system of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, we do have some leaks and rumors going around. Famous tipsters and industry insiders Ice Universe have shared a disappointing prediction about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 camera. The sources claim that it will be the same system as the one found in the predecessors, the Z Fold 5 and Z Fold 4. There is another leak suggesting that a camera upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is imminent, and the foldable may get some camera magic from the S24 Ultra. If this leak turns out to be true, we are looking at a 200 megapixel main camera on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but given there might be a Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, the change in megapixel might be reserved for that one. To make matters even more complicated, yet another leak suggested that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have a camera system better than the one on the Galaxy S24. This comes in form of a post on X from an unknown tipster by the name of Crow. We are not sure how trustworthy this leak actually is, so take the above information with a grain of salt. Last but not least, we are expecting a change in how the camera housing will look like. Famous leaker Ice Universe posted a picture elegantly showing part of the rear camera module of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. You can check out the new design above. We expect the Galaxy Z Fold 6 come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on board. Despite the fact that we might get a plus version of the chipset in the meantime, we don't expect Exynos variants to make the cut, as the Korean company relies heavily on a Snapdragon for its foldables. What we do expect is a specially tuned version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 wearing the For Galaxy moniker. What it actually means is that the clock rates will be a tad higher, resulting in slightly better benchmark scores if thermal throttling is tamed, that is. The latest leak in that area corroborates all the expectations. It's a Geekbench listing that reveals an octa-core processor with the codename Pineapple. This chip uses a 1+3+2+2 core configuration and an Adreno 750 GPU. The Prime core is locked at 3.4 GHz, with the 3 performance cores running at 3.15 GHz. This clearly points toward a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor.